This is an update of my Hebe franciscana variegata, also known as a shrubby veronica. It is a mid-sized rounded evergreen shrub that has variegated leaves which are green in the centre and edged with a yellow and creamy colour. We are now in mid-June, so the start of summer, and you can see the beautiful purple flowers coming out. These spikes of purple flowers will be on full display soon. This Hebe has a long flowering period starting in summer and extending through to autumn. It grows to a maximum height and spread of 1 metre and thrives in a sunny partial shaded location with well-drained soil. This Hebe is an easy to grow shrub and requires minimal pruning. To keep its compact shape, cut back the shrub after flowering. This will also encourage more flowers next season. Again, in spring you can cut back any frost damaged branches. You can also mulch around the base of the plant to protect it from severe winter weather. So if you want a neat and colourful hardy evergreen shrub that provides summer flowers and colourful foliage all year round, choose a Hebe franciscana variegata.